Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let us discuss the concept of ascending order. We see one boy in front of stairs. He has climbed 7 steps. He starts from step number 1. He climbs on step number 2. Then to step number 3. Then to step number 4. Then to step number 5. Then step number 6, and finally he reached to step number 7. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to greater number than the previous number? We say that when the numbers are arranged from smallest to the greatest, they are called ascending order. Show the example here. 5, 9, 13, 17 and 21 are arranged in ascending order. Okay, now let's see the trick of ascending order. Trick number 1. Count the digit of a number. One digit number is smaller than a two-digit number. So what does it mean? We know that one digit number and also two digit number, that is one digit number, is always smaller than the two-digit number, such as we take one digit number is 7 and the two-digit number is 17. So even without comparing these numbers or without thinking, we say that 7 is smaller than the 17. Now trick number 2 is, if the number have equal of digit, then the number whose first digit is more is bigger. For example, compare the first digit, that is 1 and 2. So 1 is less than 2, then 17 is less than 28. Now trick number 3. If the number have equal number of digits and their first digits are same, compare the last digit. For example, 18 and 11. Firstly, we will compare the first digit, that is 1 on both sides, then we see the next digit. And the next digit is not equal to 8 and 1. But which number is smaller? Of course, 1 is smaller than 8. So, 11 is the smallest number. Here is the example. Firstly, we will use the first trick, and the first trick is to count the digit. 8 is the one digit number and the other is two digit number. So 8 is the smallest number from the others. And the remaining number is 28, 24, 36 and 11. So we will apply the second trick, and the second trick is to compare the first digit number. So 11 is the first digit is 1 and the other first digit is 2 or 3. So of course 11 is less than the other. We will apply the third trick, and the third trick is, if the digit is same, then we will compare the other digit. So 28 and 24 is first digit same and the other digit is different. We see 24 is less than 28. So the arrangement is here. So these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Thank you.